if you've got children that have a hard time going to bed like we do, I'm going to show you this Cool plush doll that we just came across. It's actually, so it's a plush animal, but it's going to work as a soother and as a means to help them go to sleep. So the side of it actually says a warm, cuddly stuffed animal. It gives you all the positive stuff about it. It's hypoallergenic, it's all natural. You can use it hot or cold because this is actually microwavable. So it's a microwavable weighted plush doll. So we open the inside and pull this out. What we chose, our particular choice was an ox. So if you see him, there's our ox. And when you feel it, you can definitely feel all through the body. It's got the little sand pellets or the weight inside to give it a nice heft to it. It's not heavy, but you can definitely feel it. So that's what it looks like. And let's put it in the microwave and see how warm and cozy it is. You can use the plush warm or cold. We're gonna use it warm tonight, so we're gonna put it into our microwave. And based on the microwave, you've got instructions. You've got instructions that come with it, and it shows you how long to put it in the microwave based on the wattage of your microwave. So my microwave is 900 watts. So according to this, I should put it in maximum 90 seconds, but about 60 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna do it in increments just to be safe. So I'll try 30 seconds first. Okay, so now it's out of the microwave. You can definitely feel how warm it is all through the belly, where the sandbag is, the paws, the head, the whole body just has a great warmness to it. I ended up doing 45 seconds in the microwave. I'm sure if you wanted to, you could get it even warmer than this, but for me, this is perfect.